Okay, so guys, I found this video. Apparently it's trending. It's this, I don't know if she's Jamaican or she's mixed with Jamaican, I don't know. But she's attempting, emphasis on attempting, to try and cook stew peas and stew chicken and rice and peas. Okay.
I either need to be a housewife or like a career woman because cooking all this food, it's a lot of work. Hey guys, I'm Nikki. This is my kitchen sink. Today I'll be cooking Jamaican brown stew chicken with rice and peas and plantains. It's a recipe I learned from my Auntie Sonia. But before we get started, if you haven't already, subscribe below. I went to 2 different grocery stores for all the ingredients we're going to use today and roughly spent $27. It's something my grandmother used to always cook, but my aunt is the one who told me how to cook it.
This is Jamaican,
$1,000.
$1,000.
Like, you need to do this, that, XYZ, carrots, tomatoes, potatoes, thyme.
This is approximately about 20
Right
years.
now we have
This is a lot
pieces of
of money
chicken
in my
breast and
country.
chicken thighs, roasted garlic herbs, Mrs. Dash, and some Laurie's, and I put a little thyme in to like marinate.
Okay.
Get
Shove
all the
garlic on the
juices
thyme.
and all the little nicks and creams.
Shana,
and then
Maggi
get,
do,
like, a
Maggi
flavorful
season.
punch. I get my cooking inspiration from my family. Any family meal for us is like a production. Food is like our love language. We're also going to add some thyme. We're going to use way more than this because thyme is everything.
And then
It
if you use more
has
than
so
that.
much flavor and nothing should
That
survive
alright, then
without
if you use
thyme.
no more than
Cooking
that.
is very therapeutic for me. It's like I like to come home, pour a glass of wine, and figure out what I'm going to cook for the night. The most I always keep in my fridge are herbs. And just like growing up in a Caribbean household, that's like thyme is very, very...
So she grew up in a Caribbean also. That still not make that still not means you can cook Caribbean food. Cause first of all, the beginning of the video is wrong. I'm not saying browning pan chicken. In order for stew chicken, you have to have browning pan it.
And on top of that, whether I'm cooking like a Caribbean meal or just any kind of meal, it just adds an extra flavorful punch. So when I'm cutting up the scallions, I tend to cut this part off.
That part is the part that actually have the flavor.
I don't know why everyone in my family does it, but if you know why, let us know in the comments. Next, we're going to fry the chicken. I'm using both options.
Why you could have bought them something day night? But all them
Oil and canola oil. My aunt taught me fry with both. And then we're going to put the...
Jesus Christ. Oh God. You don't need it. Oh God. Literally, you need just quarter of the oil. Like when you have fried chicken, the chicken release juice. Oh God.
on medium high, and once it starts bubbling a little bit, we'll throw the chicken in. Now that I put the chicken in, I'm going to wash my hands. Now we're going to move on to the rice and peas. I'm going to be very honest, nobody taught me anything about 2 teaspoons of this or 1 cup of that. Like, Caribbean people don't cook like that. They just cook. I can't really give you a measurement. Sorry about that. My aunt never gave me a measurement. She's just like, you know,
don't pay my dues
it
already.
tastes like X, Y, and Z. And I'm just like, that doesn't help, but you know, that's just how I'm going to cook. Coconut milk is like so important to rice and peas. Might as well just add the peas, you know.
A lot of people use coconut milk, but not use the actual coconut and blend.
Because time is in everything. We will put this on the stove and let it like heat up for like 2 or 3 minutes. And then after that, we'll add the brown rice to it. So last but not least is the plantain.
I can't. I'm there to make a tea fit.
And I like to buy my plantain.
Tell us I need to take pictures of the slippers them so I can sell them. I eat that. The other slippers in there, so. Sorry guys. But don't tell us say. Me don't take my share already and spend it.
Like this, because in my mind, this is not a scientific fact. No one has taught me this.
At least you go to the plant them.
Has to it that these are going to be
Okay.
sweeter. I'm usually good with just a half a sentence when you have all this other stuff happening. We're going to go put the brown rice in now because the pot should be warm. And then we're going to put the rice on and fry them.
Do you know how much stuff is... Oh, should never wash your rice. Should wash your... When you... First of all, when I cook rice and peas, you put the peas in there with the water first. The only way you put the coconut water or the coconut whatever with the peas is unless you cook gungo peas. Basically, red peas, you put the water and the peas first. When you season something, you put scallion and thyme, and you put a scotch bonnet pepper. You shouldn't put a scotch bonnet pepper in the rice and peas. I shouldn't wash the rice.
Like to just like poke the chicken to just make sure the inside is actually really cooked and it's like softening up because no one wants to eat raw stewed chicken.
Chicken white.
Gross. We're gonna add the carrots, the tomatoes, the scallions, the garlic, and of course, can't forget the thyme. And then we're gonna cover the pot and let it stew for like another 20-30 minutes. This is Scotch bonnet pepper. It's like
That's going on the
really
rice.
spicy pepper.
That's for season up with the chicken, not going on the pot after. Season it up.
Your mouth will be on fire. Caribbean people always use Scotch bonnet pepper for everything. The rice is basically done, so we're just going to move the rice
it's not
off
done.
the stove
There's
to
the
the
water in
side
there.
and fry the plantain until it's golden brown. I'm a clean freak, so don't mind me. This is my magic power, you guys. Cleaning while you're cooking. That's something my mom taught me. Clean as you're cooking, and it'll be less mess when you're done. I don't really give you guys too much numbers or instruction because I didn't really get any. You can tell the chicken is ready. It's like when it's nice and soft and it's kind of like falling off the fork. It smells so good.
No!
What I love most about making Jamaican food is that it kind of just keeps me in touch with my culture. My cousins and I are first-generation Americans, and although we were heavily raised in a super Jamaican household, it's easy to be Americanized. And although it's great to be in a country where you have all these different cultures, I want to make sure I keep a part of culture with me and my family. And voila! Check out the full recipe in the description below.
Chicken white. The rice watery. The gravy watery.
Really good.
That not taste good. May I tell you that not taste good?
Something, and then we're like, can't believe I cooked that. I might actually eat the whole thing. Stewed chicken just reminds me a lot of my grandma and all the times we spent together, and it's like my favorite meal. Feels very at home, like it's just my safe space. Thanks for watching My Kitchen Sink. Click here for more videos. Click here to subscribe.
We don't watch this.